pick and pull Lakewood with this cool ass Shelby Dodge. Well, we made it up here to find all the body parts are stripped off of it, but there are some 03 taillights here. And I poked up into the strut towers and I found a set of TRD Lowering Springs on this bitch. So I am definitely gonna grab those and take them. And then we'll keep looking around for some more goodies. There's a front strut tower bar in here. Probably a few more things floating around. We'll keep our eyes peeled. Already got front off, working on the back. Just got to get that last bolt dropped out of there and it'll be good. Super stoked to have TRD Lowering Springs. That's gonna be sick. I'm a little sad that the skirts and all the other visual parts were gone, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. Set of 03 taillights, full set of Celica mats, mount for the TRD bumper, TRD Lowering Springs, front strut tower bar.
Well, even then, you can go ahead and
hell yeah. It's been a good day. Charles accidentally stripped the bolt. So, bolt extractor. Let's get to work. Victory is mine. It is all mine. Got that up. Now we're on to bigger and better things. Like swapping out battery terminals for these neato little quick release ones that Charles got. Because his old positive was cracked along the top all the way through. Negative wasn't holding on to the post anymore and it had no more room to cramp. It was just, they were done. It was time for new ones. And I am loosening and removing all these bolts for the strut tower bar. Yeah. Short little bit of work. Front strut tower bar installed. When you get it for 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks even, can't beat it. A couple of these quick release battery covers, because his were thrashed, so they lift up on the sides and then you can quick latch them and unlatch them. It's pretty nice, keeps them nice and covered, out of the way of the tower bar. We did have to cut down the bolt in the back here and it's just barely touching that. I might not even be able to get it on camera, but just barely touching the bar. So, tight fit. Always seems to be that strut tower bars are a tight fit. Luckily with the flat design of this one, it seems to be a little bit easier to squeeze it in there, luckily. So, we lucked out there. Now the last thing we've got to do is try to see if we can't get the arm situation figured out. Glass. No more rusty, gross plastic. We are working with glass, baby. Boom. Nice and clear. despite our fingerprints on it, but that's a different story. That's what happens when you install.
Look at this shit, Ian.
Yeah, I put fingerprints on your car, Charles. Yeah, see, this one was all gross and just super rusted out. It was starting to get nasty. It was leaking out of over here somewhere. I'm sure this drain tube was just not working somewhere in there. So, yeah. Time to go, Holmes. We blew out the air tubes up front just in case. Get the front strut tower bar in. Got the quick releases in. Now the dreaded VIP alarm system.